So far, we've been writing our queries against existing databases. But as a software engineer or database administrator, there are times when you will need to design a new database from scratch or add new tables to an existing database. And that's what you're going to learn in this section. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to design well-structured databases. Remember, a well-designed database requires a bit of planning at the beginning and it may take a bit of time, but it plays a critical role in the success of your applications. If your database is designed properly, you can easily extend it to support new business requirements. You can easily query it to extract useful information and your queries will execute quickly. A poorly designed database requires a lot of maintenance and the cost of maintaining it increases over time to the extent that it will eventually prevent you from supporting new business requirements. In one of the companies that I worked at, we had a poorly designed database and believe it or not, some of our stored procedures were almost 1,000 lines of code because the structure of the database was overly complex, so extracting data was really difficult. Also, some of our queries took several minutes to execute. So in this section, I'm going to walk you through a systematic approach to design well-structured databases. Are you ready? Let's get started.